This is your new Himiway Cobra e-bike. Let's start assembling. Preparation checklist. Take the accessory box out of the package and make sure it contains those components. Don't throw the box away, you might need it in rare cases of return. Saddle installation. Insert the seat post into the seat tube and adjust the seat to a suitable position. Handlebar installation. Step 1. Loosen the bolts on your bike stem. Step 2. Center your handlebars and rotate them to align to the marking point. Step 3. Tighten bolts to handlebar stem. After determining the best position, completely tighten all the bolts on the stem in a crossed manner. Off-bike charging. Step 1. Find the keys located on the handlebar and cut tie to remove them. Please keep your key and its spare in a safe place. The key number correlates to the number on the keyhole. Step 2. Use the key to unlock the battery. While holding the battery with one hand, detach the battery. Step 3. Check the battery status. Different indicator colors represent different status of the battery. The safest way to charge your battery. First, inserting the plug into the transformer. Then, insert the DC plug into the battery charging socket. Last, insert the power plug. Front wheel installation. Step 1. Loosen the bolts on the front fork. Step 2. Align the fork dropouts with the axle of the wheel hub, making sure the dropouts are fully seated on the axle. Also, ensure the brake rotor is properly inserted into the caliper. Step 3. Prepare your quick-release skewer for the next step by removing the thumb nut and one of the cone springs. Step 4. Install the quick-release skewer starting from the brake rotor side of the wheel. Step 5. Tighten the thumb nut until the quick-release lever is held in line, and then close the quick-release lever. Headlight installation. Step 1. Use your two hands to loosen the bolts on the fork brace in a coordinated manner. Step 2. Put the headlight in the correct position and tighten the bolt. Step 3. Connect the light wire connectors together, making sure the arrows align with each other to avoid damaging the interior circuitry. Pedals installation. Step 1. Make sure your pedals are installed on the correct side, as installing on the wrong side will damage the threads. Indicators for the right pedal and the left pedal can be found in the bottom of the pedal threads. Step 2. Start threading the pedal on by hand to ensure the pedal is going in perfectly straight, rotating in the direction of the pointer shown on the crank. Safety check. Part 1. Ensure battery is charged before use. Put the charged battery back from the bottom and lock it. Part 2. Check the power supply display screen is working properly. Part 3. Ensure hub motor and throttle are spinning smoothly and brakes for proper function.